Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a fragment into an activity without using any Java code. In effect, you're going to have something like this. Here's your activity, and inside that we have this blue box, which is our fragment. So in order to do that, we need to create a new fragment. Right-click on your package, go to New, all the way down to Fragment, click on the fragment. You can call this the added fragment or whatever else you might desire. You will not need to include these extra additional methods. You should now see a main activity, or whatever your main activity is called, and a added fragment. If you go down here and open up your resources folder, go to layout, you'll see activity main and fragment added, depending on what you named the classes. Just so we can more easily identify which one is the fragment and which is the activity, we're going to change the color of the fragment. Up in the container, add this, Android background, Android, just like that. So now the fragment is all blue. So when it shows up in the activity, we'll be able to differentiate which is which. When we click on the activity for the main, we find a hello world. Go ahead and delete that. There's technically two ways to do this. I'm going to show you one way, as it is the easier way. Simply type fragment, click on the fragment here, and drag it into your activity. You're going to want to choose the one that you just created. So mine's the added fragment, as you can see right there. Click OK. Since we're using a constraint layout, it's kind of funny looking. So go ahead and drag the constraints to the top, to the sides, or to the other side, and definitely to the bottom. So now it's in the middle. You're going to want to change it from wrapping content to matching content. There we go. So now when we run this, we're going to notice that our whole fragment, this right here, is touching all sides, and it's inside our activity main fragment. You can see here inside our activity, we now have this hello blank fragment, which is our complete fragment, which we have inserted into our activity, just like we planned. I hope you learned a lot in this video. If you have any other questions regarding fragments or anything else, feel free to leave those questions in the comment. You can send me an email or go to my website and leave something there. All the links should be in the description. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.